Hello. I am Claudia of Cake 43. Today we prepare a biscuit dough for the red velvet. Red and beautiful for Valentine's Day, or any other special occasions. Baking it in a large pan, it will be ready with 15 minutes of cooking, and in 30 minutes you will have a finished cake. I prepare and weigh all the ingredients, turn on the oven to 180 degrees centigrade static. As usual, you will have the doses in the description. I changed for having lactose-free dough. I prepare a baking tray with baking paper. Mine is 40 for 25. I prepare my buttermilk, mixing the soya yogurt, milk and lemon. I use lactose-free ingredients. Not in all countries is easy to find or to find a lactose-free buttermilk. I start beating the eggs with the sugar. When nice and foamy, I add the seed oil. As soon the oil is incorporated, I add the buttermilk. I add the flour in 2 times. When all well combined, I add the cocoa powder. Then the vanilla powder. I add the food coloring. Attention! Different brands can color more or less intensely. I had both liquid and gel food coloring. I added them both. Finally, I add the baking soda and vinegar. Don't worry, the taste and smell of vinegar will not be noticeable once the cake is cooked. I distribute the dough in the pan. I bake for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven after the toothpick test. If you don't use the biscuit dough immediately, you can wrap it in cling film as soon as it's cold to prevent it from drying out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for how to cut and decorate the dough and make this cake.